In this presentation, we will discuss the timeline of three major social science disciplines: political science, sociology, and anthropology. Our timeline starts in the early 19th century, or around 1800, where modern political science began to form as nation-states developed. We then moved to 1838, when sociology emerged during the Industrial Revolution. Finally, we took at the late 1800s, particularly 1870s to 1900, where anthropology grew during the period of colonial expansion. This timeline helps us understand how each discipline responded to the societal problems of its time.
Good day, everyone. I will begin with the first discipline, sociology. Sociology was founded as a discipline by Auguste Comte in 1838. Its emergence happened during the Industrial Revolution as a period when people experienced poverty, unsafe factory conditions, child labor, and overcrowded cities. These problems create a need for a science that would study society, inequality, and social change. Because of this, sociologists developed to explain these issues and offer solutions. In short, sociologists emerged in 1838 because of industrial revolution create new and serious social problems that needed scientific understanding.
For the second discipline, I will discuss anthropology. Anthropology was formalized in the late 18th, around 1870s to 90s. During the period, Western nations were exploring and colonizing many parts of the world. This led them to encounter culture they didn't understand, and sometimes they even forced their own culture into others. This situation created a need to study human cultures, language, belief, and tradition more carefully. That is why anthropology developed to understand human diversity. In short, anthropology emerged in the late 80s because colonial expansion exposed Europeans to unfamiliar cultures that needed scientific study.
For the last discipline, I will discuss political science. Political science was officially established as a discipline in 1880 with the founding of the American Political Science Association. During the time, modern nation states were forming and governance faced many issues including corruption, power struggles, conflict between democracy and authoritarianism, and challenges in public administration.
Because of this problem, societies needed experts who could study government system, law, citizenship, and political behavior. That is why political science developed to help understand how political power works, how societies can govern more effectively.
In summary, these three disciplines, sociology, anthropology, and political science, emerged because of important historical events and societal problems. Sociology developed during the Industrial Revolution, anthropology arose during colonial expansion, and political science emerged as modern governments formed. This context helped shape each discipline into what they are today. Thank you.
Cedric Luke, someone is spreading rumors again. Is affecting a lot of students.
Yeah, gossip spread fast here. It's a social behavior that hurts the whole group.
And our school already has an anti-gossip and anti-bullying policy, but people ignore it.
True, even if the policy is written, it's useless if no one follows it.
We need a solution. Maybe the school can set up a private reporting link where students can report rumors safely.
That would help, and we also suggest a weekly homeroom about respectful communication.
If students understand how rumors harm people, they all think twice before spreading them.
Exactly. Sociologists remind us that true action can change group behavior.
So the goal is simple. Stop the rumors, start the respect.
And make the school a safer place for everyone.